Hello friends, how are you all? I have some good news to tell you. As some of you know, RC Victory World has been in business for over 15 years now. And as you all know, business over time accumulate unsold items that get stuck in the warehouse. So friends, here's the good news. After 15 years, we're looking to hold a garage sale to clear our warehouse of our older inventory. Take a good look at some of the flashing images as items shown behind me are flashing through the screen. More importantly, you can preview all the items on sale right in our website called rcvictoryworld.com. Do you see some of the older items that you might be interested in? They are currently at huge discounts from 30 to 50 to 70%, and some even as high as 90%. I'm sure you'll have a good time looking through the items. In fact, some may even bring back fond memories, and I'm sure you know what I mean. You can visit our shop or just simply press add to cart in our website and check out and make an order. Just a quick note, our orders are processed manually when you order online. This means a representative will contact you to finalize our order. This way, it is completely safe and secure without issues or mistakes. So welcome to our first warehouse garage sale. We all know this type of thing only happens once in a while, and for us, this is our first after 15 years of being in service. I look forward to seeing you here in the shop, or please visit our website at rcvictoryworld.com. So don't miss it, and happy shopping.